everyone, this is Sheila. Today, I'm finally giving you a tour of my new house here in Nevada. And at the end of this video, I promise you a great view of my backyard. So let's get started. So here is my living room. As you can see, my design style is boho with a touch of minimalism. And these are my plants now. I call them the braided sisters. Can you guess why? I went all in on cozy colors like cream, linen, and beige. If my house is a latte, it will be extra frothy and full of oat milk. And to my frequent viewers, you know by now how fond I am of motivational quotes. So in a bit, you'll find more of these in other places of my home. I decided to put a light behind each plant, but I'm not sure what to do with the wire. Do you have any suggestions? Now into the kitchen. And here's a sneak preview of what you'll see in my backyard. Now, let's walk over to this corner where I've got this wooden book holder and it's home to my favorite cookbooks. Now, let's go upstairs, but first, we need to get past our Chief of Security or our Secretary of Defense. And here are my baby snake plants, which I propagated in water. Welcome to my loft. Well, let me just show you what we have here. It says, "May God bless this home and all who enter." And that includes you, my viewers. And now, welcome to my sanctuary. On this side of the bed is this message. "Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me." And here on the other side, it says, "Your faith can move mountains." Now, let's return to my backyard. We're building a deck that opens up to a breathtaking view. Mountains stretching from end to end, with the glitter of the Las Vegas Strip in the distance. Once it's complete, I can't wait to bring you along to experience it too. Once this backyard is finished, it'll be such a peaceful place. And really, my whole home feels that way. Which leads me to my message for you today, which is, peace doesn't just happen. You invite it in by the way you shape your space and your life. Thank you. This is Sheila again, your person on a mission for Succulent fame, sending inspirations your way with every video. Remember to subscribe and share it.